How to repost other users' videos on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the For You page. Now just head towards the video that you want to repost. After you select the video that you want to repost, at the right corner you will find different options. Head towards this your icon, tap on it. Now different options will pop up. You will see this option of repost. All you have to do is tap on that option. By reposting, you can introduce videos you find interesting to other people. People you may know will be able to see that you reposted a video. You can add a comment to your repost. This comment will be public. Now tap on the option of repost to continue with the process. You reposted. So this is how you can easily repost other users' video on TikTok. You can apply the same process to repost other videos as well. Now go to your profile. Now over here you will find different icons. Head towards this one icon. And over here you will find the videos that you have reposted. Videos you repost are visible to your friends. I hope now you guys are clear how to repost other users' videos on TikTok. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.